Dear students of class 5, welcome to online classes. Today we will be learning chapter 7, Patterns and Symmetry. First, we will be dealing with symmetrical and asymmetrical shapes. You can see in this slide the first figure, which is an isosceles triangle. If I ask you to divide this isosceles triangle into two parts such that both the parts match exactly or overlap each other. In the second figure, we can see the vertical line from where the triangle can be divided into two identical halves. This is another shape. Here, again, if I ask to divide the shape into two identical halves, so we can see a horizontal line which divides the shape into two identical halves. Thus, from this two figure, we can see that both the figures are identical with each part. In the first figure, we can see that the triangle is divided by the vertical line into two equal halves, and in the second figure, we can see the vertical line is dividing the shape into two identical halves. Here, the first part exactly matches the second part. This type of figures are called symmetrical figures. Thus, a symmetrical figure can be defined as a figure which can be divided into two identical halves. Here we can see the vertical line and the horizontal line which is dividing the figure into two equal parts are called line of symmetry, or it is also called axis of symmetry. Here we can see a chart which is a symmetrical figure and asymmetrical or non-symmetrical figure. Figure which is divided into two identical halves are called symmetrical figure. The example, you can see this heart shape can be divided into two equal halves such that the first part overlaps the second part exactly. First part matches exactly on the other part along the line of symmetry. On the other hand, the figure that cannot be divided into two equal parts, or we can say two identical halves, are called asymmetrical figures or non-symmetrical figures. Now, talking about line of symmetry. A line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. A figure can have one or more than one line of symmetry. Here we can see a chart which is indicating some figures. Second column is telling about whether they are symmetrical or not, and the third column tells the number of line of symmetry. The first figure, you can see that it is symmetrical along the line of symmetry, whereas the line of symmetry is a diagonal. It is having only one line of symmetry. In the second figure, we can see the figure contains two lines of symmetry. Yes, it is symmetrical along vertical as well as horizontal line of symmetry. In the third figure, we can see the figure is symmetrical and there are four lines of symmetry. First is vertical, then horizontal, and the two diagonals are the line of symmetry. And in the fourth figure, we can see that no line of symmetry can be drawn. Thus, the figure is non-symmetrical. Now, we have learned about symmetrical and asymmetrical figures. Now, here is a home task to solve question number 1 and 2 of my practice time of this chapter, which is based on the symmetrical figures and line of symmetry. The rest part we will be dealing next class. Thank you.